the economical growth, in addition to the major use of AI applications and AI tools, we expect maybe 20 to 30% increase of or demand of energy to what the levels we are in today. So basically, how can the world provide this energy, and how can the world provide a cleaner energy? So there is, of course, we all listen or hear about the energy transition. But the energy transition, I don't think there will be a transition from one energy to the other. It will be more of an energy addition. For example, we will see much more nuclear energy being in use, and also the renewables. An important factor is the move from using coal into natural gas. That by itself will drop quite a bit the amount of level of carbons in the atmosphere. In addition also to the way we are capturing carbon capturing and re-injecting it back into the earth, or re-injecting it to generate or to produce more natural gas in order to replace the coal. Believe in the need of decarbonization, and also making sure that they understand in details what their plant or factory or company are producing in terms of emissions. Once they have this understanding well, their efforts to reduce the emission footprint or the carbon footprint will be much easier to follow. The companies, they should have a strategy of how can they mix different type of energies to reach the amount of power that they need. So today we have seen new technologies, even new turbines, where they are using less energy to produce the same amount of power. So looking for modern technologies to not only reduce the amount of power at the door, the amount of energy needed at the door of the factory, but also looking at what they have inside the factory and try to improve the efficiency of the machinery itself inside the plant or inside the factories in order to gain a quantum leap in energy level savings. I have seen and I have worked with some companies in the recent past, if you want, where we managed to reduce the natural gas used to generate the same amount of power by almost 30% by using state-of-the-art new turbines, and also by using this concept of CCHP, combined cooling, heat and power. So rather than generating heat by itself, steam by itself, or chilled water by itself, today that is having a great effect in the energy bill. It has a great effect on the decarbonization, and it has a great effect on a much more greener environments where we work and operate.